Hey, what's up guys? In this playlist, I am going to integrate Shopify REST Admin API to create products, orders, tags, collection and many other things in Shopify. And in this video, I will teach you about Shopify REST Admin API and how to create Shopify custom app to integrate Shopify APIs. So before wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, this is the Shopify official documentation for the API. So we are going to talk about admin API. So there are partner API, app API and payment gateway APIs as well. So let's talk about first admin API. So this is the Shopify admin API with different types, GraphQL and REST API. So these are the almost same APIs, but GraphQL is the most powerful and efficient API than the REST API. So let's talk about GraphQL API first. So if you go below, then you can see authentication. So this API requires authentication, a valid Shopify access token, which we can create from the custom app in Shopify. We see the REST API. Then we can see we have the same authentication system, and the Shopify also will tell us the GraphQL is most efficient API than the REST API. And they are also telling us if we want to secure the platform, then we can use access scopes. So let's talk about access scopes. So for example, if you want to create the order only, then you can access the scope of the order. So you do not have to access the scope for other products, cards, and many other things. So after that, let's create an app in Shopify for the REST API. So if you click on sales and after apps and sales channel setting, so these were the Shopify normal apps. So you have to click on 12 apps, and after that you can see there are two existing apps. One is installed and one is not. Create an app and you have to mention the name of the app, for example testing, and then this is the developer email there. Then click on create app, and after that you can see you have to configure few things for the custom app. So select your access scopes. First of all, click on it. So for example, if you want to create the order only, then you can tick on the order scope. But if you want all the scopes, then you can just tick on these scopes like this. But if you just select the specific scope, then it is good practice and app will be more secure. So guys, we have checked all the scopes because this is the learning purpose video, and then you have to save it, and then you have to click on API credentials, which we are going to use. Install the app. So you can see we can access the token now. Just reveal and copy it. You have to save it somewhere which you can access later, and you can also copy the API key. We are not going to use API key, but we can save it. And API key secret, and then app settings, app name and description there, primary app developer and the development update contact. So this will send the updates if your app is crash or something else. Just close it, and now click on close button. So guys, as you can see, our app is created and installed successfully. So by this way, we can create custom app in Shopify for the REST admin API purpose. We just need the API token, SaaS token, which we have got there. And in this video, we have talked about Shopify REST admin APIs and how to create custom app in Shopify. And in the next tutorials for this playlist, we will create Shopify products, orders, customers, categories, and many more through Shopify REST Admin API. And guys, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Finally, thanks for watching.